Hello guys, in this video I will compare Nobara and CachyOS to help you decide which is the better Linux distro for gaming. So, let's compare both of them. Number 1, their performance and optimization. Nobara is a Fedora-based distro optimized for gaming out of the box, including pre-installed drivers, codecs, and game-related tweaks. On the other hand, CachyOS is based on Arc and focused on speed, responsiveness, and performance-tuned kernels. If you want smooth frame rates and low latency, both of them are strong contenders. Number 2, gaming compatibility. Nobara includes Wine, Proton, and Steam Deck compatibility tools pre-installed, making it nearly plug-and-play for gamers. While CachyOS offers similar compatibility, but it requires slightly more setup, especially for proprietary drivers. Number 3, ease of use. Nobara targets users who want a hassle-free gaming experience. You can just install it and you are ready to game. And CachyOS, though it's user-friendly by Arc standards, still has a steeper learning curve and requires more manual configuration. Number 4, software management. Nobara uses DNF with Fedora repositories, plus Flatpak integration, while CachyOS benefits from the massive Arc user repository, or giving it access to a vast range of software packages and cutting-edge versions. Number 5, updates and stability. Nobara is more stable with carefully curated updates, while CachyOS, like Arc, is rolling release and cutting edge, which means frequent updates, but also higher chances of breaking something. Number 6, their system resource usage. CachyOS is lighter due to its minimal base and faster performance tuning, while Nobara consumes more resources out of the box due to the preloaded features and drivers, but it's optimized for gaming tasks. So for final verdict, for gamers who want an optimized system without the tech overhead, Nobara is for you. For power users who prefer control and cutting edge tools, CachyOS is for you. So if this video has helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.